Dear friends, you are invited to come to my Q&A. I hold one in a Zoom room upcoming Saturday for all your questions regarding the Twin Flame Mission Workshop. This mission workshop takes place on the first weekend of July, and we are going to feel in our hearts how aligned we are with our true mission. Maybe not, and you will be for sure starting to align in the workshop. And I send you away from the whole weekend workshop for Twin Flame Mission with a lot of knowledge too about how you can start to experiment with acknowledging and then also building a little bit of mission. And you will be going home even with material that can help you move forward with this topic in your twin flame journey that greatly supports your union coming together, that helps you within the mission theme forward for months to years to come. And this whole thing is a wonderful package. Yeah, you can take part, and the ticket sales is going now. There are only 4 seats, so make sure you claim yours. But I thought, maybe you have some questions. You want to know if it's for you. You want to know, is this for me right now? How is my union process going to be quickened by this exactly? And you might have insecurities about that. So I was like, I'm going to open for you a specific time and space so that you can answer all your questions and you can meet me live online in the one-click Zoom room to just share your questions, share your thoughts and doubts and what have you. We'll just have a chat and it becomes clear if this weekend workshop Twin Flame Mission is for you at this time. Saturday, I open the Zoom room at 6 p.m. Amsterdam time, and it will be open for 1.5 hours. You can just click the link, show up, meet me there on any device, phone, laptop, desktop, computer, doesn't matter. Meet me there, we'll have a chat, and you get really clear on participating in the workshop. This could be for you another time, depending on the time zone that you are living in on the world. And I have calculated your time for a couple of time zones that are very frequently present with the people I interact with right now. And you'll find them in the description box below and in the pinned comment. And that is also the place where you find the other information and the link to the workshop information, the direct ticket link, and the Zoom room already itself as well. So have a look underneath, and I see you on Saturday in the Q&A for Twin Flame Mission. Love from Petra.